Hello, my name is Robin Eigen. I'm the Director of Undergraduate Admission here at University of Puget Sound. I'm pleased to join you today to share with you some general information about the university, as well as some updates for this coming academic year, 2021. Hopefully, many of you know who we are, but just in case, I'd like to introduce the university to you as an independent, national, residential liberal arts college located here in Tacoma. We are a proud member of Colleges That Change Lives. Our 2,200 students join us for our small classes, tightly knit community of students and professors, excellent academic advising and mentoring, our beautiful location, a vibrant campus life and athletic programs, and an outstanding academic program. We have a notably wide range of programs. Some of the best known include our School of Music, our School of Business and Leadership, Health Sciences, International Political Economy, and our great range of programs in the sciences. Our student outcomes are strong. Puget Sound graduates are admitted to both medical and law school at nearly twice the national average, and we're among the top 10% of colleges in the nation whose students go on to earn doctoral degrees. We've multiple times been named a top small college for both the number of Fulbright scholars and the number of Peace Corps volunteers that we produce. But all of that being said, Puget Sound is a genuinely friendly place to learn. Our classrooms are small and engaged, and students will really get to know their professors. It's important to note, too, that we put a strong emphasis on experiential opportunities, hands-on learning opportunities like research, internships, study abroad, and service. These allow students to get real-world experience in their field of choice so they can hit the ground running after graduation. Now, I'm very excited to confirm that we are back on campus for in-person classes this fall. Vaccines are required for students, faculty, and staff, and as it stands now, masks are required indoors. We are also open for visits to campus for prospective students alongside a full array of virtual visit opportunities. Students and families can find more information on our website at pugetsound.edu/visit, where you will also find a registration form. Now, first and foremost, I want to announce some new academic programs for this coming year. The first is a new graduate program, the Masters of Public Health, which is enrolling its first class this fall. We're also very pleased to announce that our first students have started in a new music major in music composition. Now, our return to campus and the addition of new academic programs are both very exciting. I'm also very pleased to share for Washington students that University of Puget Sound has joined the state direct transfer agreement. Now, transfer and running start students coming to Puget Sound with a DTA have always fared well in the credit evaluation process, but it was always a process. Now we can confirm for students that if they're coming to Puget Sound with a DTA degree completed and a cumulative college GPA of at least a 3.0, they'll be guaranteed junior status, and that 6 of our 8 core curriculum requirements will be satisfied. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of the process for these students, and we're very excited to be able to offer this moving forward. In other news, I'm happy to announce that when students apply, they will automatically be considered for academic merit scholarships ranging up to $30,000 a year. These scholarships are renewable for up to 5 years, although the overwhelming majority of Puget Sound students graduate in 4 years, and are automatically renewed provided that students keep their GPA above a 2.0 and remain full-time students. Now, this next part began last year, but I think it's worth noting. In addition to being a test optional college for admission, our academic merit scholarship and need-based financial aid programs are completely test blind. For need-based financial aid consideration, we only require the FAFSA, available at fafsa.gov. We continue to offer talent scholarships in music, theater, debate, and art. Only the art scholarship requires that students major in studio art or art history. Our music, theater, and debate scholarships are open to students regardless of their intended major. We also have 2 highly competitive full ride scholarship programs that students can apply for. The Lillis Scholarship looks for students who have a demonstrated track record of academic excellence and a desire to be part of the creation of new knowledge. And the Matlich Scholarship looks for a combination of academic excellence and inspirational leadership. More information about all of our scholarship programs is available at pugetsound.edu/scholarships. We are a Common App exclusive college, so students may apply online at commonapp.org. Our early action and early decision deadlines are both November 1. Our regular decision deadline remains January 15th. We review applications holistically, and as I mentioned earlier, we are test optional. More information about the application process, including an application checklist, is available at pugetsound.edu/apply. I mentioned several online resources today. I'd like to share those links here again. And if you have any questions, you can always contact your admission representative or reach out to me directly. You'll find my email below. Thank you very much for taking some time out of your busy schedule to learn more about University of Puget Sound. And from all of us here at the college, I wish you all the best for a successful and healthy school year. Have a wonderful day.